has so far had great success with their strategy of segmenting and defining their tentpole running lineup into the Vomero, Structure, and Pegasus lines with corresponding Icon, Premium, and Plus sublines. It has also succeeded in reviving the enthusiasm and energy surrounding the product, as evidenced by the immediate sellouts of numerous Pegasus Premium colorways and the enthusiastic reception for first looks at some of the still-to-be-released silhouettes. The tonal coffee bean version of the Vomero 18 deviates from the norm in several respects, but it has mostly delivered the vivid colorways we have grown accustomed to seeing in running shoes as it makes its public debut. While the rich roast colors that cover the entire shoe from heel to toe indicate an aesthetic divergence, the details of this shoe hint to something more unique at work. The coffee bean label, which comes in a chrome press-to-seal bag, is more than simply a passing reference. It is a sincere narrative tie that connects the always-on-the-run day starter with the Nike Run program overall. SRP is $150.